welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be how to get free makeup if you are a smaller makeup artist, a smaller influencer. You know, all of us enjoy filming and making videos and reviewing stuff, but you know, sometimes it can get expensive to buy the new products or to buy any type of products to film or anything like that. So yeah, I'm going to get into detail on how to get those because a lot of people don't want to tell others how they get the free makeup or how they get able to review some products. So I'm going to get all into that. So if you are interested, then please keep watching. This video is not how to get on a PR list. If you're interested in a video like that, I can totally do that for you down below. This video is just basically how to get free makeup for reviewing. So a lot of people want to get makeup to review to tell, you know, other people if they like it, if they don't like it, anything like that. So this video is basically how to get free makeup that you are able to review and share to your followers and really just help you create content for a hobby, you know. So the first one is a website or an app called Influencer. And what it is, you make an account and you really just answer surveys and you can be picked to get some of their free items to review. This was the first one that I've ever signed up for, and I didn't really know exactly what it was. I remember signing up years ago and I'm like, what is this? I've been like reviewing, I've been just answering all these reviews over and over and over again, and I really wasn't checking my email, but they actually email you and say, hey, make sure you do this specific review before this time so you can qualify for their box or whichever type of whichever they're sending out. So finally, there was one time I remember seeing an email. I'm like, what is this? I don't remember ever seeing these emails. So I clicked it. It said, answer this survey, you know, before this time. Let us know if you're interested in reviewing it. They don't tell you exactly what it is. So when you click on it, there will be a survey, and the survey will ask you different type of questions depending on what the item is. They don't tell you what the item is, but they will ask you, do you like skincare? You know, so if they ask you something like that right off the bat, you know it's kind of like a So if they ask you a question like that, you know it's kind of going to be like some type of skincare item, you know. So then they'll go ahead and ask you what kind of skin you have, or, you know, do you have oily skin, do you have dry skin, depending on what type of item they are giving out. So let's say, for example, this is for, the items they're giving out is for drier skin, and you click you have oily skin, they're going to say, sorry, you know, this box is not for you, try again next time. But if you are the one that, right, yeah, I have dry skin, they'll keep going with the questions. They'll ask you even more questions. How often do you take care of your skin? How often, you know, it just goes on to see if, it's not that many questions, I just want to say. Probably like 10. So maybe even less. So they're going to continuously ask you questions about your skin to see if you qualify for this item. So then, you know, probably a couple, maybe 2 weeks later or even a week later, you'll get an email saying, congratulations, you were chosen to review the box of blah, 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 of whatever it is. So that's great. So you got a free item right there, but you have to make sure to review it. You want to answer the questions, and it's actually a really, really great website. I've had Influencer for a long time. So I don't really remember the older products I did get through them, but I do have 2 products here that were the last 2 recent. First one I got was a Makeup Forever foundation. Oh, and then also, if it's like a foundation, they will ask you choose one of the shades. You don't know what type of foundation it is. So yeah, they won't tell you if it's a foundation, but that will be one of the questions, you know, pick a shade. So if you do get chosen, they will send the shade you have picked. So I did get a Makeup Forever Ultra HD foundation. I was so excited I received this and I gave it a review. And all your reviews do not have to be positive. You know, it's not like they're paying you to do this. They're actually really sending you the product so that you can review. So that's pretty great. And then the recent one I got was the Marc Shameless foundation. I did receive this through Influencer and I did review it. I actually reviewed it on my channel. I did not like it. But like I said, you're supposed to give an honest review. You're not supposed to just say yes. You're not getting paid for it. It's not sponsored. You're just supposed to give your honest opinion on it. And that's really what I did on the Shameless. So those are the two most recent items I received from influencer. I remember actually, I think I received Marc Jacobs mascara before. I think I received the Marc Jacobs mascara. I don't really remember because these are like, I don't know, last year. But the most recent app that I actually have been using that's even better than influencer, and it's called Octoly. I think I'm saying that right. I'll put a picture of the app right here. This is the best app ever, I swear to you. So what it is you actually, there is some, it's not like anyone can sign up for this one. You do have to have 5,000 Instagram followers. It's really not that, I mean, I'm sure most of you guys do already have this if you're already looking, if you're kind of here looking for free items to review. So I'm sure most of you do have that, and if not, I'm sure you're working towards it. So there's always some type of goal you want to reach. But let's get back to the app. This app is pretty amazing. You are able to pick 5 items out of their section that they have, and they have a whole range of products. And what it is that you go ahead and then you'll kind of have to write why you want this product, and then you're going to send it over to the company that is kind of giving you the product to review, and they will either approve or deny it. Most of the time they do approve it. I have gotten a bunch of times that did deny it. I think the most one that kept denying me was Becca Cosmetics, which is a little weird considering I was getting approved for Dior, Estee Lauder, Urban Decay, Becca Cosmetics, and Becca Cosmetics keeps denying me. I don't know, I just wanted to review it because I heard so many great things about it and I want to let you guys know. So yeah, it's actually pretty great. So when they approve you, you actually receive it really quick. I think I received it like in 4 days. You receive it really quick, you review it, there's terms that you have to review by. Sometimes they don't want just a picture, they want you to have a video of you reviewing it. You don't have to make it just a positive review. It really, truly can be honest, you know. You're not going to get penalized for being a negative review because, you know, that's what reviews are. They're honest. You know, I know nowadays it's so hard to trust any review on YouTube because everyone just wants to be on a PR list. But this app is not a PR list. That's what makes it so great and makes your reviews to be actually honest. Is to apply for 5 different items, and let's say you get approved for all 5, that's great, but you cannot apply for another one until you post your review. So your review has to be posted and you have to upload it to the app, and then you're able to get another item. So that's basically how it works. You're able to get 5. You have to post 5 reviews to get 5 more. You post 1 review, you get 1 more. You get what I'm saying? So there's not like you can just get free makeup, not do the review, and just keep getting it. So you do have to work to get the free items, but it's great. It's very simple. You get so many free makeups. Between influencer and Octoly, I love Octoly. I've had influencer for almost 3 years, and I probably received, I don't know, 4 or 5 items within those years. Octoly, I've received like over 5 already, and I've only had it for like a month and a half. So let's get into my first item I ever received was the Urban Decay All Nighter Spray. I was so happy I got approved for this. I love Urban Decay, and I wanted to try their setting spray for so long because MLX0 raves about this, and I wanted to buy it. And then I saw it on Octoly, and I applied for it, and I got approved. I was so happy. But I'm not going to give you a review on each item. I'm just going to tell you what I got because it's actually really cool how many high-end products I got for free just to review. The next thing I got, we'll go in order of the items. The next thing I got was by Becca Cosmetics, and it was their First Light Complexion Refresh Kit. So it came with the purple primer, which, if you guys watch my videos, purple primers are my favorite. I have this one right here. I have so many purple primers, so I was so excited to receive this because I truly do love purple primers. I'm actually using this on my skin today. And then it also came with a Becca Cosmetics Peach Concealer that is meant for concealing. I always use peach when I have really darkness, so that's pretty great. The thing I got was by Estee Lauder. It is their Resilience Lift Firming Sculpting Face and Neck Cream. So this was on, and mind you, all this stuff is really expensive, and they send it for free for reviews. The company, it's not just Octoly who's sending it, you also need to get approved by Estee Lauder. So that's actually really cool to me, at least. So it's a face cream and a neck cream. I'm really excited. I have not tried this yet. I did not post my review. So for example, I have 3 things here that I didn't post my review yet. So I can't buy another item until I post a review. So, you know, you have to post a review. I really didn't want to like, smells good. I kind of like Estee Lauder skincare. I love their serum, so I wanted to try their moisturizer, but it's so expensive, and that's what's great about this. These things are so expensive, and this website and Estee Lauder is giving you this to review so that people know if it's actually worth the money. So I think that's really, really great. The next thing I got was, the Dior Skin Air Flash Foundation. It's a spray foundation. I did spray this on my face already. Just a little, and the color's a little off, so I don't know how I'm going to post that review. I think I'm just going to do it anyways with the shade, because even though the shade could be off, the foundation could still be really good. So that was really cool, and I think this was like $68, and it's Dior. I've never owned anything from Dior or Estee Lauder. The only thing from Estee Lauder, I had that mini serum. It's just, I don't know. And then the last thing I got from them is by Dior, and it is a matte liquid lipstick, and it looks like this. The packaging is so luxurious. And I picked out a mauve shade because mauves are my favorite. And yeah, those are all the items that I did receive from Octoly for free for purpose of review. If I had to choose between Octoly or influencer, I would say Octoly. You really do get more products to review. Influencer, I think there's just so many people there, so they just try to give everyone a chance to get something. But either or, they're both really great. You get free products on both of them to review and to share with your followers your thoughts on the products and help other people save money, or even let them know their money could be worth, you know, something really great. So that's really awesome to me. Oh, I also received I forgot about this. I also received Estee Lauder bronzer from Octoly that I actually really like a lot. I brought this on vacation by itself, so that's how you know I really liked it. So yeah, those are the 2 ways that I receive free makeup that's not PR. I can make a separate video for you guys about how to get on a PR list and how to contact companies and things like that. I can definitely make a video for you for that, but this has nothing to do with PR. This is just how to get free makeup for the purpose of reviewing and things like that. So like I said, I will link everything down below. I will link Influencer's website. I will link Octoly for you guys. And yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I really hope it was helpful for some of you. Because I know a lot of people always wonder, how are all these other makeup artists that are receiving these makeup and you're not? And this is a lot of them. A lot of makeup artists have Octoly, and that's why they receive some of these products for the purpose of reviewing. They do have Octoly, but some people don't want to share how they get it. I don't know. I have no problem sharing. There's more than enough makeup in the world to help, you know. There's more than enough makeup for other people to review products. So some people don't want to share. I don't mind sharing all my tips and tricks. So yeah, I will even share another video on how to get on PR lists, because I am on a few PR lists. I'm very small also, so there are other people who wonder how everyone's getting free makeup, and this is just how they do it, and I wanted to share it with some of you. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I really hope it was helpful for some of you. Thank you all so much for watching, and let me know what you guys want to see next, and I will see you all on my next video.